Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by preparing. Make sure the phone has at least 30% battery and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Open Settings, then tap Software Update or System Updates. This is where the device checks and schedules downloads. Once there, locate Auto Download or Auto Install and toggle it off so updates won't download or install automatically. You do this to retain control, otherwise the phone will fetch updates in the background. After disabling, exit Settings and verify the toggle remains off before moving on. Next, you stop periodic checks and prompts. Go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow show System Apps, find the Update Service or Software Update app, and disable its notifications so you won't get prompts. Then restrict background data and background activity for that app. This prevents it from contacting servers. Also enable battery optimization for the Update app, which forces the system to deprioritize its background tasks. Once done, reboot the phone so the system applies restrictions, and check that notifications and background access remain blocked. Finally, verify every toggle and restriction. Reopen Software Update, confirm auto download is off, and monitor for a day to ensure no automatic download occurs. If an update was already downloaded, go to Storage, right arrow Downloads or the Update folder and delete the update file, then clear cache for the Update Service app. This frees space and stops installation prompts. If the phone still forces updates, reset network settings, check for carrier policies, or consider disabling over-the-air update services where supported. If problems continue, reboot into safe mode.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.